Hi friends, got a little grocery haul here to share with you. I went to Fred Meyer's and it is just before New Year's. We needed some produce and just a few little staple items, but this grocery haul was gifted to us by a subscriber, and I want to say thank you so much for the $125 gift card. We got some groceries to get us through this week to tie up loose ends, a few little convenient, easy things too. So I am going to share with you what we got in today's grocery haul. Some of the essentials, we've got some grass-fed milk. We got 2 of those. Everything, or not everything, almost everything here was on some kind of sale or discount for the holiday. 2 of these large brown eggs, 18 packs. These were on sale for $1.99. So I grabbed 2 of those. They had this uncured ham. It is, how much is this? Well, I know the price, but I'm just trying to see if there's a weight on it anywhere. Oh, they had a weight, but it's covered up. So $8.21 for this little hunk of ham. And then they also had bacon on sale. I think this pack was $3.99 for this big pack of thick cut hardwood smoked bacon. So I grabbed that. And grabbed some cheddar cheese. This just makes it easy for Aaron to throw on his meals if it's already shredded up. I did just get a food processor, so I need to start shredding my own cheese. But in the meantime, this will do. 2 things of sour cream to get us through till our Azure Standard haul. We are down to our last bit of sour cream. Pepperoncinis. These are actually Riker's. He loves these, and we use them on Mississippi pot roast, but when I got home, he gave me money for them, so he's claimed them. I'm gonna have to pick up another one for Mississippi pot roast. Those are for him. And then we like to snack on these olives, and grabbed a big giant jar. This is a 21-ounce jar of manzanilla olives. We were all out of ketchup, and then Aaron made some back there. He made some. So I knew we were out of ketchup, and I remembered to grab some at the store. I've forgotten like the last 5 times that we were there. So I got a huge bottle, and that's for the kids' French fries. And then also we're gonna fry up some potatoes back there in a minute with some leftover potatoes, peppers, and onion that I have. And then these cereals were on sale, so I grabbed 2 boxes of the Fruitful O's for the kids, and then 2 boxes of the Graham Crunch. That's just a special treat for them. Some mornings we'll give them, they'll have a bowl of cereal, and then we'll make them like a brunch or whatever a little bit later and get them their nice, healthy, good proteins and everything in at that time. But to start on occasion this morning, for instance, we've been feeding them breakfast all week long, and Aaron and I just didn't want to do breakfast this morning. It's Saturday morning, so we gave them some cereal and then made them some food a little later. We've got almond coconut creamer. This was the only Nut Pods creamer that they had at the grocery store. They were sold out of all the other ones. This is cookie butter. I'm going to give it a try, but I really like this because there's 0 sugar. There's no sweetener added to it. So that is good in my book. All right, 2 of these sourdough English muffins. We toast these up, and then we'll probably either put ham and egg and cheese on them or whatever. We also have some cream cheese that the kids can make for a snack for themselves if they want to make one of these. I'm going to get back on, I keep saying I'm going to get my sourdough starter going again, and we are going to start baking bread here in the new year after this crazy hectic season. Grabbed a thing of pie crust. This was 99 cents. I thought it would be quick and easy to make the kids a chicken pot pie. And then these original yeast dinner rolls, quick and easy. We thaw them out and then flatten them out. And you can either flatten them out and make a pizza, like little mini pizzas, or you can roll them back up and make pizza rolls. We'll stuff them with pepperonis and mozzarella and then dip them in pizza sauce. So that's a quick and easy dinner also, or snack or whatever. 2 chopped kale salads. Did I say we got this yogurt? Kids go through a lot of yogurt. I feel like normally I buy 2 of these a week because they can pretty much eat a whole, between the 5 of them, they can eat a whole one of these in a sitting, or maybe more than half at least. We also went by Natural Grocers and got some maple syrup. So that was a separate grocery haul. And that was $19 from Natural Grocers because I forgot to get it from Fred Meyer's. 2 of these cuties. These are the 3-pound bags. 1 bag of baby carrots. I used up my other bag in some soup that I made, and I'll be sharing in this video some meal preps, some of the things that I've been cooking this week, lots of soups and different things like that and breakfasts. So that will be after this grocery haul. We got a honeydew melon, and the avocados were on sale. I got 4 avocados in here, this plastic bag. 3 large bunches of bananas, and then 1 easy meal for dinner this week for the kids so that we don't have to cook. So we grabbed a Voila skillet meal, and then the rest of their meals we cooked for them. That is everything that we got, and I'm going to tell you what my total is. The total for all of this was $154.11, and we had a $125 gift card from one of our sweet subscribers. I finally made it back on my walks after resting for a month. What a beautiful day to start walking. Finally made it back out here to walk. I feel like I'm not really that energetic, but it feels good to get out here and walk. I actually, before I left the house, I told Aaron, I said, I think I would rather take a nap right now. I've just hit a wall. And 5 minutes later, I said, I'm gonna go for this walk. I needed some fresh air. Even though I've been out grocery shopping this morning, I need to move my body. My lymphatic system needs it especially. Salsa is super easy to make, and with just a few simple ingredients, you can have a delicious side or condiment to all of your meals. So I'm just using some tomatoes, jalapenos. We have a little bit of cilantro, a yellow onion, some salt, and whatever seasonings you want to add to it. Maybe some garlic, and it'll come together beautifully. I'm just going to puree it up in my food processor. Super quick and easy just to process it all up together. I threw a garlic, salt, bunch of cilantro, 1 large onion, and about 6 of those little tomatoes. Chia seed pudding. We're going to do half a cup of chia seeds. Teaspoon of cinnamon. 3 tablespoons maple syrup. A little bit of vanilla, or a lot. About a tablespoon.
What are you making? Overnight oats?
Yeah, overnight chia seed pudding. Put a lid on it, refrigerate it, and eat it in the morning. Overnight oats.
Overnight oats will get me down. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Putting some yogurt in there. Will be great.
It'll be great.
Like we turn the light off.
Good hanging down.
Overnight oats.
Mama, what you're thinking? The teacher wants all that. Yes, yes, Mama. Oh,
Hey, wash your head on if I got a video going. You can stand there, but just stay out of the way. Okay, put a lid on it and refrigerate it and enjoy in the morning.
I
And then this morning we're having leftover lentil porridge, and then I put chia seed pudding. It's chocolate chia seed pudding on top with some bananas. And the lentil porridge has dates and raisins, coconut milk, cinnamon in it. And then the chia seed pudding has almond milk, some cocoa powder, maple syrup, vanilla. What else is in there? Deliciousness. All right, so today I am seasoning up this chicken with some Redmond's Real Salt Organic Seasoned Salt, and I'm going to put this in my pressure cooker for 30 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and pull all the meat off the bone, set the meat aside to enjoy throughout this week, and then the carcass will go back in here with everything that's in the bottom. I put 1 cup of water in here, put the chicken on the steaming rack, and that is how or it's probably more than 1 cup. I might have 2 cups. I put the water just touching the rack in the Instant Pot. Then put my chicken on top, and we're just gonna cook this for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna be able to eat this protein, hopefully, and it not affect my pancreas too much. Hopefully I'll be able to digest it a little bit better. And we're gonna make some soups with the broth, and also I've been drinking broth daily to help my gut. So, you know, baby steps. I have done probably 7 gut protocols in the last 6 years. So, and gut resets to try to heal my gut. So I don't need any recommendations or suggestions for that. We've been through it. We've been drinking broth for the last 10 years, and I still have autoimmune and gut problems, gut health issues. That's just life. So I just pressure cooked this for 30 minutes in my Instant Pot. I've got some broth down in there. We can make some gravy if we want to. Throw some potatoes in there, whatever. But I'm just gonna cover this with foil, let it rest for a little while, and then I'm gonna take all the meat off the bone and set it aside and do the carcass. Also eating some honeydew, snacking on honeydew. All right, this is how we're feeding the kids this morning. We've got pancakes, eggs, and melon. It took me about 15 minutes to get all this together. We're doing the Kodiak pancakes. Those are pancakes from a box. You just add eggs and milk, pretty easy. And then the melon I cut up yesterday, and the eggs I whipped up this morning. But yeah, in less than 15 minutes, we have a nourishing meal. Hi, baby. Are you hungry?
This one mine.
Yes, that's yours. Hold on, I gotta put it on another plate. And we put plum sauce that we canned up this fall. Put plum sauce on top. Made some chicken broth with the leftover chicken carcass from yesterday, and I'm just canning this up now. All right, we had baked potatoes for lunch and sour cream, sausage, butter on those, and then now we're making rice, and I'm using all the leftover salsa that I made the other day. Not all of it, but all the salsa that was left over from the other day, and some of this chicken stock that I just made. And we're doing chicken stock and fresh pico de gallo or salsa. Not salsa because it's not cooked, but it's pico de gallo. And that's going to cook in here. And then we're going to have just tomato, onion, garlic, cilantro, lime, Spanish rice, sort of. Put the lid on here, let this get cooked up. This Instant Pot's been going non-stop this week. So just hit the rice function, make sure it's sealed, and we'll have some rice in just a little bit. All right, I'm just whipping up some chicken soup, but I wanted to show you this gelatinous broth. Oh, look at that goodness. Yum. We're gonna make some ramen, but I always make my broth and then just add some ramen noodles to it. So that's what we're doing here. Got some chicken broth, onions, carrots, celery, maybe some poultry seasoning, some salt. We've got our chicken here. I'm trying to use up those baby carrots, garlic. We've got some chicken here I'm gonna chop up and put in there as well. And just try to get these kids a healthy dose of garlic. It is cold season. None of us are sick, but I don't want any of us to get sick, so we're making this soup. Got the chicken all ready to go in. I am making a vinaigrette out of apple cider vinegar, some plum sauce, and some olive oil, and that's going to go on this salad. And this is one of those kale bag salads, the sweet kale salad. And then I put some gluten-free chicken nuggets on top, chicken tenders that I had in my freezer. And then goat cheese, we added some yellow peppers, some purple cabbage, all kinds of good stuff in there. And that is my dinner for tonight. And then I only was able to eat half of it. There's some scallions in there, and then Aaron ate the other half. It was really good. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this grocery haul and meal prep video. I want to wish you all a happy new year, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!